Today I'm going to show you guys how to use the Big City Pomade beard balm that we have right here. This is the barbershop set. So first you want to start with a freshly washed face. Make sure that you dry it down. I just got done washing my face, so I want to make sure my beard's dry and clean. And you see here, like, my beard's like super crazy. So basically, next what you want to do is you want to kind of like get it into place. I have this fancy little mustache comb here, so I'm just going to take this and you generally want to just brush your beard down. So I kind of just get the sides. I get the sides down. So we'll start with the sides, get the sides down, and then I'll take the mustache and I kind of comb my mustache down and then kind of to the side a little bit. And then lastly I do my chin. And what this does is it just keeps your beard clean and gets like untangled and styles it a little bit more. So as you see here, my beard's styled, but I've been experiencing like some dry skin because of winter under my beard here, and also it's kind of like frizzy, and you know, you want to have a little more polished look. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the Big City Pomade, the beard balm, just use like a finger amount. Okay, so I got a finger amount here. Kind of just rub it all in your hands here. And then next, I just kind of make sure it's spread evenly on my fingers. Kind of like go like this to get it up in there. It's okay if you kind of disrupt the combing you did. You want to run your fingers through and make sure you get it all over your skin. And you actually get the base, like your actual face, not just your hair. Because you want this product to condition your actual face here. So once I know that it's all been touching my skin and I got it deep down, I take my fingers and I style my beard. So I start with the mustache here. I make sure it's down and I off to the side, take that and tame it down. And then I take the sides here and I take my fingers and I just comb it down. This is the best way to get like a natural finish to your beard, like not too combed, and it also helps keep it down if you use your fingers and not an actual brush. So just push it down here, and if you notice, my beard looks much more hydrated. It just looks more polished and it doesn't look so like dried out and frizzy. And I can instantly feel my skin like absorbing the essential oils and the ingredients that are in here. And my skin like feels much like less dry and moisturized already. So yeah, I'm just kind of texturing it and feeling it out here, but as you can see, like a lot of the frayed hairs that are on the side are gone. It's nice and streamlined down, and my face feels really good. And the final benefit is like a super fresh barbershop scent. We all love like leaving the barbershop, you feel really good, really fresh. This kind of gives you that feel every single day. So yeah, you can use this product and it will help you keep your beard hydrated and your skin super moisturized.